This is a molecule of an element because it's one element that's bonded together with another element forming a molecule. This is not a molecule because it's only one element bonded with nothing. These are molecules but not compounds because there's only one element in it. They're not bonded with any different elements. This is a monatomic element because there's just one element and it's a pure substance because there's no other ones. This is a mixture of two diatomic elements because there are there's two different molecules here, and since they have the same elements in the molecule, then it is not a compound, so it's just a molecule and it's a diatomic. This is a mixture of diatomic compounds and diatomic elements because these ones are diatomic compounds because there are two different elements in them, and this and this are diatomic elements because it's just one element throughout. This is a mixture of two triatomic compounds because this one has two or more different elements in it to make a compound, and it's triatomic because there's three, and this one for the same reason. This is a mixture of four different compounds because there's this one, this one, this one, and this one. And they're all compounds because they have two or more different elements in them. I got this for H2O and H2 because this one is H2O because there is two hydrogen and one oxygen, and this one is H2 because there are two hydrogen. This is CO2 and O2 because this one is CO2. It's got two oxygen and one carbon in the middle, and this one has two oxygen. I got this for HCI and AU because this is HCI, HCl, and because the white is hydrogen and the green is chlorine, and then AU. That is gold. This is CH4 and CO2 because this one is CH4 because there's one black for carbon and four white for hydrogen, and then this one is CO2 because there's two pink for oxygen and one black for carbon. And they are compounds. This is a pure substance and a diatomic compound because it's a pure substance because all of them are the same. And it's a diatomic compound because it's diatomic because there's two, and it's a compound because there's two different. This is a mixture of a triatomic compound containing H and H2 because this one is a triatomic compound and it's got H2 because there's two hydrogen, and this one is a diatomic molecule that has H. This is a mixture of all the elements because this and this are elements that are molecules, and this one is just an element, so this is a mixture of all the elements. This is water mixed with oxygen because this is water and this is oxygen. This is a mixture of a compound and an element because this is a compound and this is an element, and only pink and white things are used.